Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Climax Tech Product Summary. Topdeep Commercial Ice Maker 110 lbs/24H with 33 lbs storage capacity, stainless steel freestanding ice maker machine, automatic operation, ideal for home, restaurants, bars. Ice making thing details. Name 1. Powerful ice making capacity. Topdeep Commercial Ice Maker Machine adopt branded imported compressor, which can make 32 clear ice cubes in one cycle in 10 to 18 minutes and up to 110 pounds of ice in 24 hours. 2. Each ice cube is at the standard size of 0.9 x 0.9 x 0.9. You can adjust the size of ice cubes by adjusting the ice making time. The ice making time and ice thickness can be adjusted by pressing the plus or buttons. 3. 2 ways to add water. This ice machine connect to direct tap water and gallon bottled water. Freestanding design lets you install the ice maker anywhere in your home, pantry or restaurant. 4. The built-in blue light bar makes ice cubes more convenient to observe. The automatic overflow prevention of the ice machine maker also allows you not to worry about ice cube spills. Before using the ice maker for the first time, clean the ice maker and leave it in an upright position for 24 hours. 5. Easy to operate and clean. This heavy-duty ice maker can connect to direct tap water. Freestanding design lets you install the ice maker anywhere in your home, pantry or restaurant. 6. The built-in blue light bar makes ice cubes more convenient to observe. The automatic overflow prevention of the ice machine maker also allows you not to worry about ice cube spills. Also equipped with an automatic cleaning function. 7. Premium quality, made of durable stainless steel, not only prevents rust but also extends the life of the machine. Equipped with a powerful compressor allows the under-counter ice machine to efficiently complete the ice-making process without causing too much noise. 8. High efficiency and low noise provide you with a comfortable environment to enjoy your high-quality ice. This ice maker has feet keep the machine somewhat unaffected by the ground humidity, water. 9. Commercial or household use, comes with a storage container for storing up to 33 pounds of ice. A thick insulation layer can extend the storage time of ice cubes, and the attached ice spoons can move ice cubes more easily. 10. Works great for applications including coffee shops, hotels, bars, supermarkets, bakeries, restaurants, office, cold drink shops and more. We provide 1-year warranty, 100% satisfaction guarantee. Any problems about this product will be given best solution in 24 hours. Product description. Specification. 1. Voltage, 110 volts/60 Hz. 2. Ice making capacity, 110 pounds/24 hours. 3. Ice storage capacity, 33 pounds. 4. Number of each ice tray, 32 PCS, 4x8. 5. Ice cube dimensions, 0.9 x 0.9 x 0.9. 22 by 22 by 22. 6. Ice production time, 10 to 18 minutes. 7. Refrigerant, 100 grams/hour 134. 8. Wattage, 256 watts. 9. Protection type, I10. Climate type, SN.N.ST. 11. Warranty, 1 year. 12. Package content, 13. Commercial ice maker X114. Ice spoon X115. Water filter X116. Water pipes, inlet and outlet, X27.